ena video pia ma me de nije pa da bia me de nije na de waka asem ode bia agumasumuti wo se me de se de se ahia o enti sa se de ya ene ye de besom wo fi sabre yakopem se no nkono bebo apan mu ya ye besori so ade chenhwe adwuma de se na so na UTV de da so ebo adwuma ni nyina wonti enti da de se wo ne se eya ene ye ntina enkonya ye ho enti some channel ni mfi akai se baby aye ho digital ye wo so analog ye wo so na se another form of digital DSTV na channel 360 ubenya UTV so anopai ma yenhye hu cry na fe quickly yentinsi dwumadie na ankasa emo enem pese mbisa wo se afi onhyehye ne wani swadu na ohyehye ye no ne dodo ye sen na wo hwa imu de hen pa na obetumi aye anso obetumi aye ni nyina da bi untumi nye ni nyina efise bi onu mu a ene utwo buka animu ni akire eye sheet nso asada enu na ye na afa uhwa na ayese edoso dodo eyese ubenya dayeso baako kese na waye eho adwuma kakran asense ubenya nisuade hunu no prekesi bebre enti anopai mene wo etu ye hofo na ma she unkran say get that one idea of all the plans that you have, of all the beautiful ideas that you have, of all the dreams that you have. Look out for that particular one. Edawa kuma so pano. Na shasiye ye mwadjume fi se ideas ni ye bebre sa ye hwanyan kra. Ebofa wani so afa uhu ne ewu ntaka ebi on so akofa we waya no agya mfimfin wadru mfimfin no agya enu na ya na meka no kankan agya ye wodo wonsa kan no agya no ho no akofa ni so ade no we na enu so wanante ho awobere ho a no agya ho no akoso we mu wo ya afa na ajiegu enti anopai de mpese me no ekene se take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think about it, dream about it, live it. Let your brain, your heart, your mind, your eyes, let your eyes see it. Let your ear hear that vision talking to you. Let your nose breathe that ear. Let your lips talk about that ear. Let it be about that idea. And ubehu se ebebem. Ubehu se eso se de ni a ebetimi aye adwuma ebetimi abem na beye kama enti de woye ni bebre hwanyan ni nyina leave all of them alone and take that single one particular idea enti tenase ye introspection hwehwe mu se na me kra my ideas no de he na no me kan se me kra minyaya anka school a me kwei me kwa we chemistry ana me physics okay debi enka me biomedical science na my say nti wo ideas no bebre. Oh, okay. Kameye business and so na say so fashion design so cost pa okay and me fashion design there be fashion design no kwampo no kwan to me na say and me for event organizations on count so many of them. Which one are you working at? Said ye beye na afi no nko na wieye na wona so nti ABC mu no but modern say pick one idea and then run with that idea, see it, breathe it, hear it, talk it, do everything. Let every part of your body work towards that, achieving that idea. Ampeniam pa nyame enihene ono ne yemboafo ebebem enti anopai yenkran hyesem eno no yadeda ubonkrata no mu nsem bebrem nemum teacher fo a wonum ekre art ya making visual art teacher for wonum se omo ha unti anopai ye behwe se ye ne wo mo bedi nkomo ye bibi wonum se wo maka se enka wo mo betwon so hwa ka be na wotwemienu na wo mo atwon so hwe yema wo mu last year say yes o aban wo de sika ne beba ma nkwada na twon so hwe no entime me obi anyi obi a printing fee wonum anyi printing fee a afede wo hwa o say ebi a last minute omo hwa yes o obi kura na SAT exams na ba teachers na complaining yes ebi on so omo kwotwe wo board so ehun nsem se wanya bi ho a amantem omo kwaji sika nso na ya asem ti omo se se ano omo pese omo hu se omo practical se no ehun asem pa sen na esi etie me hwehwe wonum krata no nti enche kura making kan sa krata na wonum atwe de akwakoma mpanimfo no atwe na ya pe emu nkomo na yedi yebekọ yenu abe master in search se na de ye say yes to ska ko biem Anglo Gold ama oboase asan aba enkwam enti life a bounce back wo boase omafo no wo mo anigye mu ani osebo mu no sen na esi etie ye be kɔ ne akɔ akodi eho enkomo mabosu de enye mamemfa wonfa enkrata ni mu quickly na oboase mine bounces back. Anglo Gold Ashanti pours first gold. That's the major headline of the Daily Graphic this morning. Giba sues NCA. New plan shut down aborted, government intervenes. And ye share. Razak Pokuwaya dear well to anamompa. And ye jumaifua one new plan. Abai said we intervene. Kosa dear Chenny so intervening saying Wami hunye so mamun tumti. Said ye ni abre ani ebumuna. Aban so tie sufre enti wenya antumti memuna a call rounds so kahwebe by 31st no ye beto new plan emuno enya ama so ye komua ye who said the intervention cry aban edi aba. Government won't be lured into operating outside budget, says Vice President. We are hoping so and we are watching, said the Ebeye Fisa aban beka o mesha me ho so aban nyina sa edru abato afia budget ti obeye no odia manebro so bram so aban we yaka won de woni mbro so bram so enti wate a fiscal policy ekua wo mo abedwaku a wo be cheche arese mumye ni esika npepepe mumye ni esika npepepe na vice president asia kanti ye hwe na ya party nso se osie no ebeye wo yo efise nso ai danko ene wo konso danko ofoso ampofo trial. Witness abandons prosecution. Daily Graphic back page. Asofan residents call on assembly to open police posts. Womasiye nansu omieye adentia. Coalition and Occupy Ghana Dem government for failure to enforce mining law. And ye kan boasi die kwabena ne ahwe so na ya ka say ye di asemwa. Ghanaian Times after 6 years shut down, Anglo Gold Obuasi mine back. Pours first gold as it begins production. Giba sues AG NCA over conditional access to free-to-air TV broadcast. Nooks urges political parties EC to dialogue over compilation of voters' register. Ye can once say no crime. Can compare commodity free say. One man me from IPRAN no inter-party resistance against new voters register no. Na no mo ko komase de no be no mo ka so. Se see idea committee of advisory eminent committee no and eminent advisory committee no any womo akasa na wafrese womo mehia enne so na wono behia eno na the Ghanaian Times yabe EC eminent advisory committee parties in crunch meeting today and yet titia NDC for say Debbie NDC ka ho but IPRAN no inter-party resistance against new voters register no say womo sia beto ademoni so woden krade abehye so benada kra de operation take over EC sesen na e ka se ho no ye se ye nkoho ye security zone na adan wono mu twema meeting ni siansa enti wei ene kosa ye nya wo mu a ye bebisa wo mu se mo anam kan se mo atwe asensen efise mo ba behia sa eminent advisory committee afei na meeting ni beba so ne adenti no mo de sa no di semi abetudwa. Daily Guide drama out of some of trial. Witness denies statement. Report corrupt officials to me. Nana tells diplomats allow EC to work nooks. Man kills rival for bunking wife in toilet. Hey, Unipass deal takes off. Daily Post, voter roll, inter-party group to occupy EC on Tuesday. And then name public officials responsible for missing excavators. Groups demand and Rankrata be the buyer. Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, Minister or Mesti, Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. I say excavators ya wonu CC ye efi galamsey fo ne ho no be kwa kodi galamsey so hon komo ebinum ayira e na eku obi se no akwa na me akosi asapon kasa minister ka che say ebi ayira enti omudi ja hwan na egu he hwan na ehwe so ne enko bisa wo mu sa na eku obi su bi say ene won ka wo mu a wo mu na wo mu hwe excavators ne so a ayire. The Insight, demonstration to hit Accra, thousands of people to participate. The Chronicle, drama to Fosuan Pofo's trial, witness denounces own statement. I cancelled PDS because I don't support corruption. It has the picture of the president, so it can be attributed to him. NDC has no moral right to talk of cost. 3-member committee to determine independence of Gomwa Francis to from a Chumakon. Daily Dispatch, who wins New Jabin South? Esibe or Befi? Sa Befi you sikeni Befi of free zones. Kwabena machin.
Yeah, dear never.
Yes, I Befi.
Pepe, or Kofi Befi.
Or the Kofi Befi. Ni fear for it. Then I'm in a bomb and Omudini din by so sikeni Befi. Into best place ka.
Oh, not really. And you my pardon the beginning.
Oh, okay. No more Macadres video in your bonnet.
I said, you will be having a mechanic. So, course, I will be no. And the beginning found me one. What does it?
Okay. Okay,
it's not about money.
It's not about money. It's about Numa.
I remember sending people primaries back on. Maybe I don't money seats, no. Central region, baby.
Orphan constituency.
I want to about the cars near there.
Yeah,
what if you know?
Okay.
Delegates baby need tea fees I don't man.
Okay.
So oche and many person now would be spray ya. Sebi you there so be so chair say no.
Sa no mo nya na o mo beje but o mo kokomo ti
dey wo. We rough on make much bomb say mafia.
I don't know what beba no. Offer good morning Sir Joe. Fear delegate.
Akwa dey so because onko. Oh lawyer, obey delegates. Them yeah. So what wa makura e beto ama.
E ho Sir Joe.
Oh lawyer Debbie lawyer ni mu fit tete. Eduma wa ya bo party we. Lawyer Debbie.
But na say one so na say friend na fe do mo say wo famila.
So we the chairman no mo friend.
Mo say offer maybe chairman. Na mo offer secretary man to am offer. My friend na wo ba no so wo ba na man to am na mo ba me anya.
Why so book to you come say Debbie. So wo book to you enim.
Na femu wie ya ene ho be the pa but what is Ashanti region so no I say you need be forms are short
ehuru me na me kan sorry because daily post mu ora da animu
okay
I want to call any sanka
oh and no wan cry ne buy prince and MPP you rep be ne buy no so oh say wo constituency no anya bi akọ regional na na nya
na forms are there
and no say ne bra national
ashort
Asen South on honorable team Fojo
reverend
and was say wo constituency no anya akọ regional no anya bra national
why you do me dey
said dey
forms kakra no ba ko gu office
omo di party and one say forms are short
Evans ni ba ko di nkomo wa wanka say forms be short bra also mo ba ko gu office ko de go fa de obia wa kwanya so
no obia nkofa ene enwa na da hey enti who wins New Jabin seat or New Jabin South Jabin South Esibe or Befi. Improving sanitation in Ghana, current gutters have outlived usefulness, need re-engineering. Ampa anti-sisi waka mabna pa na mmom die nansen kwan kura wo mu ye kura so sa tete die ya nesu atwam na nesu ni mfaso enu anu onum gusu wo mu ye enti ene ya woni wunu anu mo nkasa wunu anu American say Ministry of Transport wa ene wo mo nkasa say ya mo de contract ne ma mo hwe kwan no na gata no covet no mo ye wo kwan ne ho ne say die kanetete na ho na ne ya bie su se tontro na se tinapa ya bie su na esi wo saa no ene wo bia anya biem ena de ye beye nso a ye beja holes nkitinkiti bi amanfo na ntimi kohiem no eno nso kra rubber no tumi fa so ehiem ni nyina ma me ya aka kire wo mu na ya na afi kra ye hu ti wakan ya wodi abadie ene no kre pa ya ka ya bre saa wa so kra wo hu bi gote ye wo ya dada enso enua bia na wo mo sai reconstruct ya maye two groups ask government where are the missing excavators asamwaba Ajinasari stopped the rain Togbiga Feti the fourth testifies the Daily Searchlight leave EC to do its work nooks here and then Daily Statesman Obuasi mines are back in business students unite behind electoral commission Kwabena yemfa Obuasi mines na yeni ho enkomo na ye fe no ani aba back page ti efise nchekra Steven Seche ebe my update e de afi ho. Then Anglo Gold Ashanti's Obuasi Mine Redevelopment Project has produced its first gold after 4 years of limited operation. The last 4 years saw the country's flagship mine, which had been in operation for more than 100 years, placed under care and maintenance in the face of its long-held potential to uplift the local economy. in October 2018, a $375 million 5-year underground mining contract was finalized with Underground Mining Alliance Limited, a joint venture between African Underground Mining Services and Accra-based Rockshore International, a Ghanaian mining contractor, to revive the mine. About 550 people, majority of them Ghanaians, have so far been employed, bringing the total number of people so far employed by AngloGold Ashanti and its contractors to 3,500 as of January this year. The mine's production in the first 10 years is expected to focus on upper ore bodies with an average of 350,000 ounces to 450,000 ounces. Ewane beso. Inti womu yiba na no wonum de kosa na se asi ni abri ya ye se ye pese ye industrialized wonum ebetumi add value to some of them or majority of them. Na womu de kakra na kosa tesa ni osebo idie ye bese aba na ba besi 100 years die na so enti ye bisa say is it just enough say omunya or na eno ano no, and now we have learned our lesson enti womo ebe add value, some form of value, and Sunny are exported. Back page of the Daily Graphic: Coalition and Occupy Ghana damn government for failure to enforce mining law. The media coalition against Galamsey and Occupy Ghana have expressed disappointment at the announcement by the Minister of Environment, Science and Technology and Innovation, Professor Kwabena Frimpong, that hundreds of excavators seized from Galamsey operators have disappeared from the premises of some assemblies. They said the minister's statement epitomized how the authorities had failed to enforce the law against illegal mining. Speaking with an Accra-based radio station recently, the minister said though the excavators were seized and taken to the district assemblies, the machines disappeared later from the premises of the assemblies. Ghana for you, because nobody was responsible for them. So we should hold the
assemblies accountable.
I'm thinking nobody was responsible for them. Else, can minister be kono bisa and say esu
ewo he because all we can make say
assembly ho. I remember our assembly ho. Hey, bra, king, what it?
Nsroma. Right, ebusia ye shasia na anim ha graphic anim na ye de babo mo say ye mampani efonye eda ha owura kwakuku aten enso so eda ha so kentemu ayi afri ade kama bi anim a esedi nyina ene say oboase man na afi de koya asan ababium o chese enrada enije ene ede wode wani ekire eye oboase na say hodom adane pa esanse oboase man hodom ayi adwuma fi hya bese bo ha ne ekire nie mrebi atwa mu kakra nom chese jana eyinsisi adwuma kakra na afi na abrewa ayi poma kwam na afi wabie se yen hyase na yemfa enye adwuma wo chem safi mpino ene edu enwotwe nom na $375 million 5-year underground mining contract and also we bibia we know a Underground Mining Alliance Limited, a joint venture between Africa Underground Mining Services and so Accra-based Rockshore International and also a Ghanaian mining contractor. And now we na ekabo wamodi abwa ama enedie hu oboase no ebesa ebeye adwuma ebio graphic for HM ese yankasi adehiem na womo eye Ghana for 550 and na cc de ya for muti se okani na edi eboma na ese enipa womo eho no ma womo eye adwuma free agency no na o chese makodru eye 3500 a chese adwuma ne de egusu a ekoso no na wo chepse production no first 10 years in the anymore say a bit me focus na upper all bodies no or average na be 350,000 ounces to 450,000 ounces. Say one be two from a good year papa na e de aboa na o man so enya eyesika. Back page ewo graphic mu na obo amanie se media coalition against Galamsey and after Occupy Ghana omo e de tudwa omo che se Professor Obenfo Kwabena Frimpong Boatem omo di no hu ya papa se papa yi osofo na experience kura wi na pa se ebusa se yi excavators a emre mo ko chiche ye e de free Galamsey site ahodo no e wo hin farm papa to papa so na prof ekodi enkomo bi e wo FM back so e na wode etu idwa wo che se excavators omo chiche ye no omo di kogugu assemblies ahodo ni bi se enwo hodum kakra but omo bi excavator's na afa na no e na engofo isu ejem se na excavator ne say nya konfe woni ataban onya no ma e na obetimi atu e de akọ e ba ne say e na excavator sayache no a ye da kogu assembly ana banka chipanyifo ho ne ade na etibi afiri ho wa abra prof so no wa obehwese ka ebetimi usu musa ahwe ye go bisa asema tutu papa say ayira eno de omo che so mo ntia se enti no eye ne ya pa ye wo mo ye ku no mu ye wo ya se mining laws ahodo no kwa no aban ne timi hwe no fa enya adwuma ejeje no pasa ewukro mu a eno so back page no graphic e de aba oba
mo yanko page 16 or daily graphic the ubokrata ni mu na yanko new plan for asem no yanka ho ansem. New plan shutdown aborted, government intervenes. The planned shutdown of New Plan Ghana Limited tomorrow, which was informed by the lack of contracts and recurring monthly losses, has been put on hold following an intervention by the government. The intervention follows pleas from the workers of the company and other citizens to the government after the Daily Graphic publication on the plight of the 46-year-old company. The Daily Graphic last Monday published the impending shutdown of New Plan Ghana Limited after the newspaper cited a memo issued by the management of the company to the workers, which was subsequently confirmed by the managing director, Mr. Georges Nezam. Dated January 15, 2020, entitled Closure of New Plan Ghana Limited. The memo signed by Mr. Neza said, management regretfully informs you that New Plan Ghana Limited will be closing down its branches on 31st January 2020. Let's see how government intervened. Let's see. It's talking about 2016, how government intervened. So this year, how is government intervening? Mame Enkofa, Stephen Sachwe. Na oni eni oboase nkomonti efiri oboase ba na afei ya baba behwe eye government intervention e New Plan mu Stephen Sache ma che na mpomu te sei
baba agadi buzu Israel
utiri nkwaso se jare ni assemblyman ye nya mo nkomo
iti that
eyo enti enra amampani eba oboase na ho te sei.
Wow, Papa Anwa na ni December. Na said the name no afima kuma 123 years ana yetu kakoko ewo oboase. No Papa senia wonim no 2014 based in Pientiani ana ba say Angola Santi adwuma ni bibinti ema omutuma na enye adwuma. Na onyankopɔ adom January 2019 ana omapanyin Akufo-Addo ene Asantiwa ero tumfo tetu be piem oboase a ombe ya amamre ni amanie etimi dibie ano ende dimu a amanyankopɔ adom anwa na chesa afimu ani ana oye gold a omadi nka etu no omopa ho ntoma edise adisia ewo omayi mu ano na yani disem edise na amanfo nya ehwe ni mu sesa di ebetimi asie na baby kakra na akwaye ayi se otumfo entumi amba nanka nipa nyina hwe ni mu se otumfo ene Ghana president bia bo oboase a nanka niema koyi pa the last time on buy no na ye January 2019 but we went to Myanmar no se bi oma jabehene metre na otuo sebo ana ebisi na nema otuo mu se yenya edim dia tu otumfo abra ni nya panyi da fom no enti se bi se o jam ni nya no na ontimi tukwan sa ente went to me amma enema nyina akoso kama anu akwedi pepi oboase a na enya asem ketu akra obi ti say Azuma cheme Minister for Land and Natural Resources etimi by Energy Minister Peter Mewuba bi Dr. Uchi Free Agriculture Minister nipa bebree ana etimi by na be omanpanyi ekasem no ana wache say nani agi papa if we say 2016 no ye campaign obi oboase no asma okan ni say vote for MPP and state AG enti tasem no ohwe ni mu say ebetimi abamu the Ghana for to aba edema MPP aban na sa abre na na ade say obetimi abaji AG adwuma na egu no ade asi ho ampaniampa ni nuane ampa yatumi abam ama anu ade wonu edi adanse ati gold edi nkan no se omatumi ayipa ade a ene na ade na ni atumi agye na je ministers no so eboa mane matumi akoyie omampani anu si ape ana ye wel kesubonten a ona ye managing director di ma adwuma kru no enso ebeka saye echese no ma ise ne ma senko mbetumi aye ne mpo na kwan a na se bro ma wo mo no endu ana nyankopon adom omo tatimi ka gold ya na mekoyi na o say when e face one omo face two ni beto aso e mu tom wo ha nketenkete dia na so gidi je angoda asante bebo adwuma gyan na so abe omo nye adiboni bia emfa entia enipa apomudin e wo boase kuro nim no o ka se si ampo na anye bia no enipa afini omo ya sese omo ye adwuma omo timenya adwuma ni bia ye no anko ni mukura no be 3500 ano matimi anya adwuma ni bi ya na no ya yi sem emodi ho dance ese obi owo boase bia be hu se kenya na adwuma ni nipa ntamutie en atimi akura ni mu ye pa se bia na oba boase a anko asante e fa adwuma omo fan community ana omo depa na o twetwa mu yipe omo ye ne se bro no bi oboase bia omo fa nipa miensa ateti omo adwuma na we tie se anko asante no enema guakwam a omo bakoso bo adwampo adi asene first no na ne kwakwam wanu antiemu na se wo boase no ana nana otuo sebo a wono tell da se otuo sebo a obejine mu ma asante hen no so kyerese abangu asante adwuma ne call form no we yo mu nyina ya efise adwuma se bi ku ka ni pa do se na abasa na koya aweho no de bi o kan se adwuma ne ko so momoden se omo fa adwuma omo hwe ade hye wo boase no important mu se ne be ya manti ya wono omo so betimenya adwuma ti na entianda ne nya ba na oboase na nya atem ketu afra a bibia ko awieye asundwe mu
kra omo first ye gold bar bonte no ye te said ye kane no onum ye no na gold bar na ye hu na sa pepepe ene omo de ko ana wo so we de per new agreement ne ntiase ye bia ebi o hwa ye be yen sacha ye kakra wo mu add value to it.
Wow, tell me at no I'm na ni ehwa ni mu je an ko mu di gold na nkasa e ba ba tie ni atia hu de ni titie na so we de ko ye adako da de ni sembu bi ano ma na efa ahontuma na gold na nkasa de enya de a yetimi di ye ni ehu ye na emom se de na ni sembu ni titie no na ye dada se de ye gold bar na ye nim na sa na etie pepepe na emom se ka tom kan ya na ye ni titie mama de se obo asen se first nanka gold ye gold bar ku bia na nanka ye wo mu 1%. They said they are paying 2%. And this of the Ghana first now, Omodia Kuni, you know. They move a page like a crowd across the gold bar, no. Omodi person is never so kakra. Now, gold Nankasa, dear, and ya down the Omodiba baby, and I, one no, the same one, no, back say.
Na mokwa probom fidie ne nso munya kwan kohwe bi ne said ye city ani nwuma hodo a ebeye ana.
Well, papa, the whole fidie ana ye di ani ko hu ye. Yedi adwuma ntie wo boati na omta de kwa underground ropa akohwe nema wo hwe a etie omufidi a omusu ne no metumi aka papa esne kane ne de no no ebise na se wokọ na hu se bide ni adwuma na otumi se mpidie no enema nya sisi na kwem ana afa wenye deep mining no enya de se nipa eha ho bebre the first no kwa underground o se ne kwabrani okuta peak ana wodi egwa abuom no we de bibia omu ye bia ye mechanized bibia ye mfidie na ye the this time round there ye hwe ni mute pe mfidie ko hu ye ni there ango da santi production no ebetini akoso asen emebi atwemu no
7 ye beda ase papa ye nua be ma Steven sache ne yete ne kan fi oboase no na nsa ne ye be kono kwabra na me hwe kwan aban afa so a waba new plan adwumaku no new plan Ghana shada ni mu na wo cheso owura George's Neza daily graphic and in the komo enra nti enunye we received a call from the government. We met them and they were very positive. They want to help, so they asked us to give them 2 months to sit down to discuss what we can do. Nti sa abaya bemuno 2 months answer, but siga uncle asamwabo ati
yeah
ukoi ana wadwumakuo yi wontu wonye ho hwe ya ekwa probon ana ekoleti aban ni nyuma no e wo ho
ho asem wase ho
ekoleti aban nyuma yi me aban wo shares wo me oye solely owned by government and not by the state in when who
also be another meeting had me scheduled between the management of company
okay by siga interest state interest and accountability governance authority state interest and governance authority okay so let's see say omuhia na kwabena omuhu ye de anka omunru say but better late than never Government won't be lured into operating outside budget, Vice President. The Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, has said that the government will not be tempted by the election year fever to embark on projects outside its approved budget for the year to forestall budget overruns. He said the government was conscious of and determined to maintain fiscal discipline, and that most of the projects that it wanted to undertake had already been included in the budget, saying the government is not really waiting for 2020 to start doing new projects.
Yo, ebusunya ye toso e graphic mukata fa etoso edu ensia no na wo chese anka ekakitu bi na European adwuma no aka ye tu mu say the report no e bae no na wo chese busumi ewu mi de toso diasa e ba ku na na yese bibia wo de ekọ na wi ye eno na wonti ayi a graphic e chese entimi amaso esanse aban e chese de bida say the manfo esugu no so no ahwemu a obetuma bibi afa ho ne de na chese ombetimi etu ho na mobi aboa amadwuma no so agina hom opani pa e de ema eye no plan pani Georges Nisa ono ne sa ensemu e de koto eye wagasi nyanim se eja mo hwe na de ehu ni ye be se adwuma no nyina de tumu na obia ekope de baby etina eno na wa bra on sentrofo se di nkomo bienum wodi etu dwa a wuchi mu se afa de empanifo abemu ru alankojo chematin osofo a ohwe je de hu ensem so ene empanifo awdo akagina hu se de bi e oso mo fa ekwan bi so mbetimi aboa se de be ya e ma no plan adwuma no eja na so isan se adwuma omo eye no enye adwuma kuma contract ahodo a eba se omo ye adwuma pa nanso obinim de ba ya amano akoba de security no na e wo so otimi ye bibi e de efa ho no na krata ye esa HM so pani pa e de ema State Interest in Governance Authority siga eja asamo aboten asabi e de atudwa a wo che se omusu ani abre eti omuhwe ni mu se hwie be enche ombesa ebiti fufrase na omato ato ade ko mbefa so metimi aboa na no plan betimi jan na so no eno so metu ho anamom na ema pedi abedichi eso ekasa e wa ha no wo che se ewo se afimpinu ene aduone e abato afi ene abato ne sent na hyase a agi baabia ne so no enye no betimi ahwe omu kutupa setenchina contract ahodo a any budget mu no no mo ko ye na mo do mo se ko kan ade etwa homamu e wa ha e de so ebo from there bi eti budget o mo twa to honom de o mo no na mo de be ye adwuma wo mo enko budget ne achi ndize kwan bi wo honom a yakotwa homamu pa na so be hwe krata mu ana wo hu ni baabia sa no ma no wo mo enye enti we so e asema mampani abedechire enso so e de atu edwa oba
mo afa daily guide na mo mami kodi nkomo Emra Art Teachers Association of Ghana and wonu achokrata de akoma Ghana Education Service Director General said 2020 WASI subsidy for visual arts subject final practical works and onum say wo ebisa say hyehyeye pa GS wo e fa practical works up wasi form betro afin sohwe no wo mo be ya ansa no akotwo sohwe krakra no eno ene sei na identity onum ko bisa President Emma Art Teachers Association of Ghana Dr. Osuanyi Kweku Esel Doc Machio
ya mpacho ezuma wate ametia ejifozo na
Doc ye nyina ya je so ye da ase anopa ni wadaje krata yi pacho wona wonsa hyase no
mpacho ane
na adan what has been the precedent and adia na esi painting na nei afi na muko bisai mu nim hyehyeye wo hodada
okay me that's it free SHS ebaye ya dia Ghana konyi na adia tuma ya do so ya de papa eboa oman no awofo enko ekoma ha if you say aban aso mo ase na ohwe visual arts na yewo subject be emotwe awo ma omoye practical base na practical no and theory na bia ukwa theory na tenese we no be practical na practical no be to enyoma no we ga final project practical na eno na teacher for no enhu se aban na ebetua sa practical fee na final year ona wo betua what is say no omo na ebetua anasa awofo if you say omo abo mu tirem ekọji sika onkora mo say wo ye practical so bia ya mo topic renti koto nyama we na fa na omo ko jiska ana say I think head teachers assist students so mun jiska the work of France ma I say omo ye bibi etia nti ye pese abdies either the preface say or ana say director general of education omo ye say omo na etia sa practical fee na students na be because a teacher for na e train nti ye pese be do so say enu na asana nje say ahofo eya ahomboa e be say free teachers na ban e ya papa ne ye pese be say a teacher bi wakoji fike bi wo akwala wa ense say oji nti e pese aban the preface say ono na e fa sa project work omoye which is that's their third paper, that's paper 3. Omo chiro paper 1, that is theory. Omo chiro paper 2, that's section B. Omo ye practical, and omo ye physical artworks. E be ntuma, e be graphic design work, e be basketry, e be jewelry work. Now omo ton nyoma any tools. Now for omo de ye practical no, omo de akwa na wa ka market. Na no na ye pese ye aban eba out, eba catch say ono na e twesa ho ekam. Na say yembisa awofo na mo famna.
Doc say omuye terminal exams it's been 3 years for SHSC by nti anya hwe no ansa na wo mo betwo wasi afi no form 1 form 2 one cho terminal exams and I want to believe that said wo mo betwo wasi nti and you are preparing them for wasi no nti mo ye exams no mo ye no say wasi enhyehyɛ ne pepepe paper 1 paper 2 paper 3 theory practical and practical as you are saying terminal ones why na be cost
yeah me that's very terminal ones so we share the paper man kasa nke was say aban e fa wonka because the nyan into say every term aban it you have 5 CDs for each practical now we share 5 CDs na enya de beso because we are all quite textile practical. We are to entuma be 2 years. We to dies. Eni nyama wo de be eno a term kwa enso. Nti de entia yenye fi ye members no say e ba na sa na awofo na bi na bom wedding e ka mo nsas because we teacher na for business kan wo fene akoda bi ho ana say you ha I said that we sabotage aban but and yeah, no, practical demanding. If you say, if you but tired down to say, in Kakoran be school, no, now in San Jimmy, everything. I'm part the minimum of our movie school. Now, want me on Twasa, almost me, young Mamma Juma. Your view was all more for ancestors. Almost me. Now, 3 SHS man, a yet dean say, oh, take it and work with you say, okay, you're very practical way in tea. More physical because the bank say all the digits cap. A could be a game so Binomo a fast out and so a car and fans on with it. If you say a bano a clear says Sassy come or Fahoka.
Doc may sign in a BM or say terminal, nay 5 CDs na na buying to ya for practicals.
Yeah.
Never.
Me for na the corporate woman say members no try teachers or grounds no try sa fee no emba them mon the omo ye say teacher for no ayo mo parent teachers association PTA
okay
na omo da 2 PTA for him say na ko na sa say emma into no mum why na yen say nti schools we are university all over and the information free grounds all across Ghana just say parents and sometimes some contribute, and that is more motivation. Even more so, students in your parents in chance, I'm in your crime, to class was a theory not on me. And when I say, the better I might say, I don't know what
Doc, can you some match? Na akwada ye prepare no ama wasi adwuma ya wo suku yi nwuma ya wo suen so practical ya die ya se wo ye jewelry so ye basketry se wo ye drumming so ani nyina practical no na de ne beko na mutena ho emma schools bi wo ho a wo monye na fe last minute afi na mbebisa aban ti sa akwada no okoduru wono mo a ne practical no kra no wo kwa akoye ne sen
me does it way ya ba out before I this answer on the two channel. Say a young shishemu, protocol and the research.
Okay.
Yeah, who research and then you have a jana, you have to do research findings and every two drag. And say the barber two drag. Then more practical way they are bank our more quiet CCA. It says no as a matter because yes, our research and some pono almost across all Ghana, about 99% of parents are saying that they provide the material.
I see.
I mean, for student practical, and which does not augur well.
And I say you should know, say parents in Abesia to auntie. Why do you need a clarification from Abaya and IGS to say why need to ya? That I know so to ya. And I'm most say muko just so no see hey.
Report every ground sometimes would be some parents and our parents na be omo contribute kakra ema omo nkola no sukun na omo dey call media say and I didn't put any free so yeah Jessica na say we say practical no mo ka dos into be sha free to buy into say bi ba say parents omo to me abua kakra no aban ma okwa no mu so ase eno kwa won debate e ko so man bebre and then I say aban say am pan say or brother na bibia ko to tin na say yen pesa wo ko be mu dia e be sem say sa ka no on fama na on ma art adekye any adesua enwi pe our mind
practical way no da ben wo kan wo se aben bre ben no be twobo so me ben mu
because so acha ne match na ba na sa practical question na ba they have about 2 to 3 weeks to finish omu we na no mas omu da ko waye ntom de no ko waye ka asono my written papers no paper 2 and paper 1 asono maka so we but depend on ayo omo ta sure exams na se cry because the practical omo ta sure se cry ansana dia e da betu just say oh SS4 so as I say true because the new practical they silent in the ya man for until home
I ask him inti acha match na no question na ba wo mo e be hye sa practical work na see
yeah but so
I see. Averagely, no, will be a dear warrior visual, the warrior basket, the warrior jewelry, obey you same for these kind of practicals.
I mean, that's a bit great. So, also practical now, under normal circumstances, obia at least 2D near your 3D art, near 3D art, 2D art maybe a graphic design, textile. And a painting. And I was 3D maybe a jewelry. It was sculpture, ceramics, and a basketry.
Okay.
Now, students, we are so choosing one from here. But of course, school be having one used to be a 3 and a. Internet depended the demand of the question. Question never been a demand. And on the average, students went to your crown and when you see material crown. Where 150 Ghana to 200 Ghana overspend if you really want to buy the material. For example, question about say print a 3-yard textile fabric for somebody celebrating maybe birthday. So it means or printed 3 yards. That's all got on to my 3 yards. Now on one design or yen screen, not or printed. Come on, I want to obia and yen no or the on one area. And personally and once a minute.
Na mucho krata yi achaka krabe se 10 for 15th January no akodru ba bia mode call ye director general na mat nyamoaye bi ana
so so can krata no ya na ye de call officers ya acknowledge receipt na ye ntin ho hwe na san say ade na ba to awofo now so na ba to acheche for now so na head for announcement ya boss when say be tissue so ye tissue and I have to say aban it me ba out no veka because ya won be say nke betum bibi na say awofo no one na be fa woka no ma ya hombobuan no peko say do one just say omo nga say bia obi so say a system be say PSS no and they aboa je be say na aban boa na e pay pro
Doc ye beda se papa na eya musa nye follow up wo director general ho GS ona musa o se enti ya krata musa munte ya na muhu ya na
Whether you better master so name say Mofide say Asita Ghana man na nti na Mofide so data everything ka na wa ye be ya na awofo ehun de omo ye tese fo so ehun omo ye nti ye da master bebe
Doc yes ye da se pa nti we the director general so prof we the wasumu a na Dr. Osuanyi Kweku Esel national president Emma Arts Teachers Association of Ghana. Kwabra me hu anamonto kama bia wa 20 yen saa fa daily guy na fa daily post na afi papa na fa any me time mano na my imagine say china mema anti makion di fufu afiri kuma jollof jollof ni akokọ abasa
ma so abenkwan so ekoyi
yesu onti oyonfa abenkwan kan wo
ya fi ni nyina
onfa ma
me nyi wani say de wo de onie
memi ni
okondo and how you fasting? January fasting.
We don't see me. Princess Ebeyanka, Mama Kion, onye queen. No, Princess Super queen.
Mama said the BB.
Tima Yenisa, we are now the bus at Jumaco from 2M Express. Woman, a Chinabon Sebaba Bedru. Oh, the Ma 2M Express. Any be some year can I catch your bus, a farmer. Can see a dear. I'm
surprised you buy. Right abusia ye to so e daily guide mum na akatafa to so miensa e na oba wo che se enu ada chem of su ampo for the trial no and also ekoso na no e na wo che se first prosecution witness Benjamin Osai ampo for ejei a wo yen sentroni e wo Adom FM e na okugina mu na wabra ye frɛ no na DDP ene ne pedifo ne George nya ka do muti abrante no mo che se krache wada roma o orua nmunyamfo sentroni ye una o trust ansem bebrebe ya on sasha ase ya na e na o chese Miru George wada roma eni dimum no kure signature na dem signature but sem na bebre na o ka minimum hwe me ara me san ye but se because minim bibi fa ho a na meboa minimum bibi a e na o chese ora e na na assign no say me los na ni bibi o te mwafo yi wa bra process for na ba no ka se we the investigation bi ka na mba be ya na aka pese simaka kire bi pe no osia bom na me kɔ akwakoye news na me ntumi fa madwuma ntoto me nya ho meka obi krata wa abre ya fa madwuma eja ko situ mbetua meka me ko menya adaji o mani boss akra bi na me dem sign up I was really no say yes me nim bibia ade na wo mu na masaba ti me masem bi ewo mu when dey o so onim hwe e wa ade ni mu enti eja ampofo je yese ne ayi edem wo ne se ehonu mina dane ama abofoji o se no anu woka onima onim no sie ko bo ne ye kan news aforo mo nya da jakin kan police for na sem no mi wa police for the crab am ka so ora we de ye investigation ka kremo hwe abofoji yi enyo na wa pa bo no se me no so okay on sign ka krem na onye no ye very very simple
but komna yensua de say documents be da wani mu you don't know what is in it senke bechiwa ka be ye ne den enye ne de no specifically but bibia de beto wani mu no kan na te ase nti ministers ni say wo mo ye careful pa no wo be gina ne so na no minister bi ni me di ko mo say wo mo pese me san ade na me ho kire me a wo ma hwa amaboa me ho a me ba betu kwa me de esa na ma gi ato wo mo ye wo se matena so mata na me san no hyehyehye
asemba
na ko bofa me so na
asemba see obi as a minister bi asem ba ye no so who sa document with that
omo de beto a utu kwan e dia office ba bi a wo utu kwan na say wo pentem na honorable madam say pacho we there ka we sign we my uncle no say we say okay we don sasha say we be na we don sasha boss any aka say we don sasha boss say sabre we you anu anyi we jo hu anyi we de na da ho nti we have to take a cue
exactly nti ambofo je de no enua enso so e de endiem na ye to so e wo daily guide mo ba kata fe to so nsia o se abrante e ba ko a wadi mfinhia aduanan nsia o electrician na aposifo ensa aka no oba ya ye frɛ no akole ame aka obulu ya asem bia obulu che se ye wiemu ko anam se ofiri adwuma ba na o ye duru fie no omo edi fie nche na jana bia bi wo ho na ote sound bia sound no eye na ire voice ko ni wife in the voice but not na se ache ote eye me de oh you don't ho ana obulu che se ede na ekosu yi ede me ire voice ni no so da be nyon no a se ka me yire pa aka na ho no ne yes ade me no about na so many years me nche ni kra da and obolo is also ko o sa ti ire wo ho ewia de na mepe sa and obolo si da bi sound we de mempene and obowura ejana bia no so obaya obowura ejana bia no so a obolo ire na brantie odi mfihye aduasa miensa esen no so eti awurani hu ni kuno di America oba mi se na okọ America wo suku a hye ne skirt ene e pae se na di pioto de wanfa oja na dwae ho America sa di America giri eti obolo hu abrantie no ene wo putu du tu ba bie ene wa no ene abrantie de fam hwe ne kwa
obutu no keke
wo de tie according to obolo story no
oh okay
na wo so mu de mani hu asem ni bi e che se wa bra obolo ku pie so se krachi ne esen ne yere so no no fa ba e di bono pa ene ko ba obolo de oso wo keke no eti ono wan wie no de no akoma eye appreciate se na esi
for daily post na fe Romeo emfa
right daily post ba ko mienu tew eja ade ni mu emebi atwa mu no na oye mrahye bidwani mamponfo mrahye bidwani no mebi atwa mu na papa yi esa eye senka okọ performs afa ya okoduru wo no ma ese forms na bi ni ho asa honorable say what forms ni ho no me say yan en wa cho krata abe national say ohia forms ni bi onya bi is o mother Roma o man the forms ni bi emfa oba na say won say kanya na enta nyina so so we experience bia and am we how dey won say that Romeo mi say bia Romeo so edum na so eto dey go mutimi dunu be 5 hours no ma so sa
say na bi ni say ahomache wa sori aba obekọ na ade asa nti anya ade a obehu
ebo kwa okọ ebe late news kwa na oma dum no eti isi for say yen enye ni dum kan ya no
na ho amo
see dey mo dey man ya supply eti say bia Greek ni voter authority for na obi omo no ade no and e bi ejane baby anka hye mu yiti do mutimi
go enu dey be I think December ho say baby sa early January no ebisi sa bisa no mu si o enye isi je ndey Greek for na obisa say dey ya I say omo pese omo be kasa mi na say mon kasa ni emu dey
edunu sa nti isi for abekle omo ba ya quick one media coalition against illegal mining and occupy Ghana omo che say eja fempon party nya go ni di kromba we opanyi bi omo bu pa na say the wesi abene no ana we nye doctor assembly ntia we minister uti mekan che say excavator na ayira hwehwe ya de fama yesi a what are you talking about hwehwe excavator na fabra coalition for asema omoka e de ache opanyi
na the one who major headline no voter roll
interparty for no
occupy issue on Tuesday
oh you interparty for no omo waka omo ma yiku ahodo waka omo nyina bo mo che say omo mpini me voter register mo che say nyame ya adoma ebnada ebe no wo mo ebeti omo agumoti so mo do mo di chite easy straight eni omo bewu ho omo mpini na mpini china say voter register no yenye ho adwuma daily post eso edia odi aba oba ya onua ba be kase ojanyum to kakra chronicle everybody say yeah
family duties
a lot of investment a lot Becca a serious investment e ukroma obeso concentrate kakra na wa he 102 na etimi abo kana kom na so o say bounce back e do bi ko e defense e ko fi akra no
obi so ben ni nyina
yi so efe
medase Addis beauty be ma no a owo da so ma no obotire fefefe no
wow on the baba na bo mi tika kra
mami ne ho so e ha unu se nti na me check no no kwa macha do hwere mi ensa na mawie
be ma de botiza
ai Addis beauty ne ho e ha pa nti me da wase
na story
this week yenshia yo oh ene medase eya mama mi se wa nko no ko bobo
what's your friend say
Addis ADIS na beauty ube hu Instagram Addis beauty
oba na mo hua mrei ene se dia brantie koko pie ne yire so no obutu ni mu hu ni say oba ya be
ehwa ne dia bi o wa ye friend provocation ehwa no omo ebehwe hu se mu ye nipa se wakoto so obi butu yire so sa no provocation enti se bia but eno ma umfa hu ni totoroto enti se ye meda ene bia betimi aba be ye manslota na ite wasotwe no emu bego kakra but tinke bebu akunfo no ebia na wanya life imprisonment enti se woti ase na emom se wokoye no osan ba ye dia won be ka say I say wunya kwan ho me kakra cooling off bia bam tie ne na say wo boa pa wo share that so be ku nipa ba wo koto ne so saa de wo de nsem bebre betoto ho wo be hwe evidence no any facts no say de sitie na waka say e bia wa comment nipa bia ni wa na koma betim saa de wo obi koto so bi na wo de
but o ya futu a me de me ne say say okupi bisu saa jahoko because oba no che so ompe
that is the ideal situation but enyo bia
oba yiti de bia ka abotre ho asem no
no kre
abotre ehia papa
sebi no boy o meton abotre dro obi a metobi
sebi nya say bi obi ntimi sebi obi award obi ntimi ka adwa no but bibi ntia no nya to wase environment no ene ma na ebusue mampoku bebrebe kama ohia ma to bi bia
say de ma ebusa so na ma ebu
ene kre etimi de ma so ko pese bia so kunu so akotwe plant so buafu a fa so be na so chana man ko da obi agon baby
because see I won't say at the crab ba mu abuso na ma wo yes
so wo she akire wa
wanu ho
ye brade
wo do ko ma police
e no kwa be ko na baby kwa chima no eze
wo do ka se ni ti yasa say vai no kre ko ma police na nche se police beja wo se sia wakoda da monpunachi hwe wani so ade hunu hwe wabra bo wo bibia wase
chosem kwa kan say dwamamo so de a utimi dai no wanga
eno de
so bible kan
dwamamo na se untimi a
ya utimi dai no obolo emabu mema so obu
of say bible no quote anu wo quote ni ye
oh say na me quote Romeo
wo fa ye kwanhwe ni o ja manata
manata oba
wo fa ye kwanhwe ni wati
e ma futu wa ya abotre ye we am say abotre ye o ebulo wadu nguma police fu
nti uti trotro mu na hu obi atro ne ka echi abotre ya na wa kai kwabena ntwe futu no abotre ye abotre ye
ra homo bolo
e pa cho di obi say obolo time na so na ne wo so time na so
okay and maybe then asun me start won yeah do so the ever sports no Emma Ghana for nano pasidedi kano enko Emma this way chocolate drink or sido here no eno a ene unso share sound so no special ice and special drinks nina wo Adekye nano penny the sports no de Emma Ghana for yen shasia yen kopie mu e the camp of the Black Stars wo new head coach ora CK Akono wo pache say ejuma na ne sa kanu nani abre na kwan bia so no wo betene no ho aye ejuma no wo si wo mpe favorite minimum was ya nunya or the better nchen wo bojuma e de am my Ghana yentie sema CK Akono wo de etu Ghana fo nyina enim.
CK Akono comes from a humble home. I grew up here. I was taught here. I'm a very principled person. I like to attach seriousness to what I do. I went through the hands of great coaches, Coach Ade, Osam Dodu, Coach Afani, Jones Atukefio. I've worked close with all of them as a player. And of course, before I started coaching, I had to go to Coach Ade, who advised me. First of all, he said to me, and I quote, you as a player, you cannot, bring the idea or the fact that you've played football before into coaching. It's a different ball game altogether. Because then I thought, because I had played football to the highest level, it's the same situation, and I realized that it's not. And of course, when I started coaching, I realized it, and it has really, really shaped me in that sense. I've worked under a lot of pressure. I've worked with a lot of local teams, traditional clubs, 11-wise, very, very strong side, Hearts of Oak, Asante Kotoko, and I can tell you what I've been through with those teams. But it's all gone well. I believe that once you are dedicated to the job, you're passionate about what you do, you believe in your focus. You see, when you talk of Ghana football, you cannot talk without make mentioning of Hearts of Oak, Asante Kotoko, 11-wise, of course, Ash Gold as well. These are strong teams that comes with a lot of pressure. It's demanding, and that has really, really shaped me, giving me that side of the story of this job, the pressure. The Black side is not going to go down. It's going to go high, and so I should be ready.
We any ensema a Black Stars head coach CK Akono wodi etu dwanti emom pae man se na bia na dwuma woye no ebekoye ede amom man Ghana na enyan ho mfa so ewo wo man mu afi enkopie mu ewo the latest transfer news are edia him ewo Europe Ghana Black Stars wo mo player back on the ede Alfred Duncan a onu no Siakan Emma Sasiolo reporter Urban HS wakopie mu ewo Fiorentina esia de woni Calvin Prince Boateng and eba be Siakan entia good news Emma Black Stars player Branton D. Ade Alfred Duncan na report no HSA 15 million euros no anisika epiema okusiakan Ediama Fiorentina in the Italian league from Sassuolo to Fiorentina a good deal Emma Alfred Duncan. Another story so Urban HSA Everton womo are rejected Esika FC Barcelona now commode mo no maja Branton Richarlison free Everton then so report no HSA womo empesa Esika no mpache sika no eswa enti enya dia womo Everton no Ediama Barcelona almost can be this season there Richarlison were almost leading a scorer into Quembia Sono and Yadi almost Ebejano Amakopimu FC Barcelona now Tottenham Hotspur and so patches a Branton Dean Eddie Gary Bill our Siaka Emma Real Madrid no woman agent hopa intebea enka Madrid for ejano nanka wombe siakan ensa enfama ne mother club once upon a time no siakan ewo Tottenham and okopiemu ewo Madrid womo esa akwakohwe so mo nsa ebekana no ene nsema eba na opiemu ewo